What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're going to try out this crazy concoction I've been wanting to try for a long time. It's called Spaghettieis, and we're going to go to this place around Das Eis in Helen, Georgia. Follow me in. Let's go. There we go. Yeah, this guy here is letting me in.
Oh, Eric's here.
Hey. Oh, the Woo Crew. They got the shorts.
Is Alma here?
All 6 of the traveling shorts. Alma. Yep. Woo! Styling and profiling.
I see.
There you go. We're going to have some spaghetti ice today.
Do you have a question, sir?
Yeah, tell our audience exactly what is spaghetti ice, sir?
Spaghetti ice?
Yeah, what is that?
Oh my goodness. First of all, can you say first of all?
First of all,
They take this nice chilled plate, either a chilled plate or a chilled bowl, okay? And they put this fresh cream. Not this canned stuff, but fresh from the cow. Can you say moo?
moo.
Oh, can you say moo? Moo. Okay, can everybody say moo? All right. That's how fresh it is, okay? All right, then they take this luscious. Can you say luscious?
Luscious.
Can everybody say luscious?
Luscious.
Vanilla ice cream. And they put it either in a press, either a potato press or a machine, like our friend Maria and Dee has over there. Nice fresh machine, and it comes out and it's like looks like spaghetti. Okay, it's all vanilla spaghetti. All right. Now, who here likes spaghetti sauce on their spaghetti? Now, do you want to put spaghetti sauce on your ice cream?
No.
No. So what do we put on there? Strawberry. Fresh strawberry. Can you say fresh again?
Fresh.
Fresh. They take fresh strawberry. And they put it on this luscious vanilla ice cream, all right? Now, everybody like cheese? All right. They take this fresh white chocolate, and they grate it up, and there's your cheese on top of that. All right. Now, we're not finished, okay? Now, I like garlic toast. Does everybody like garlic toast on your spaghetti? All right. Okay. But you don't want to put garlic toast on the ice cream. So they take a vanilla wafer or vanilla chocolate wafer or vice versa, and they stick that bad boy in there, okay, and there's your toast. And they're still not finished. Right here at Das Ice Cream Cafe in Helen, Georgia, they put 2 chocolate meatballs in there. I forgot the name of it, but they're 2 chocolate meatballs right in your spaghetti ice, and there, sir, madam, and everybody here is your spaghetti ice, and one bite, your toast.
So, just in case you're interested in more than just spaghetti ice, there's a list of different flavors of different ice creams here. But we're not here to try any of this other stuff, even though it looks really good. We're here for the spaghetti ice. What are you giving that spaghetti ice right there?
This spaghetti ice is definitely a 10. You take one bite, you are hooked.
Is that our spaghetti ice makers?
Go ahead and finish getting what you need. Yeah, I know. We skipped birthday. I know. Pizza. 21st birthday for bring her. I had potato soup and long Judy back in
Big old bird. Floss? You want to floss now? Or you gonna wait till you get done eating first? Okay, so this is gonna be my first time now trying this wonderful concoction right here. Spaghetti ice. For the very first time. This is gonna be the old taste test. First time trying spaghetti ice. Let's see what I think here. And this looks good. Let's see. First bite. First bite. That is excellent.
Is it good?
It's excellent.
How excellent is it?
On a scale of 1 to 10, this is definitely a 10.5.
Hey, Harry. Watching the first taste of spaghetti ice. Traveling with Eric B. I love it. I like all these cameras in your face.
East Levi spaghetti ice. So this is what I started my spaghetti ice. That's how much is left. And that's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace! And spaghetti ice. Lots and lots of spaghetti ice. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like, the share, the subscribe button. Please leave any comments below. I love to interact. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community.